truck on the road.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so little. See it. That's funny. I wonder where the time is.
I don't know. I know it's just a smaller Connex. These are all 18-wheeler trailers, and that's a Connex. There's actually a difference, and I didn't used to know that until my brother told me.
God, what is that?
Tank containers.
What's under it?
I don't know.
What if it says Hyundai on it? Or Hyundai?
It's a company from overseas. These are Connexes. They have huge ships that carry them across the sea.
What is ESPN? Why is it so popular?
I don't know, but it's just a very popular shipping company. And see, look at this. You know how this saves gas, right? You know why trains are so popular? Those are all 18-wheeler trailers, just taking off their wheels, right? They do that, then they put them back on wheels, and they need to be taken somewhere inside of a city. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so on and so forth, right? Those are all 18-wheelers. You fill all of them up with gas and try to ship them across country. It's going to cost you more than one load and then a couple locomotives pulling the entire lot. Do you know how packed your interstates would be if every one of these was an 18-wheeler?
Yeah. I guess it is cost effective, but
Yep.
it still costs quite a bit of money to do this, huh?
No, not when you look at the whole grand scale of it.